2 medium size raw papaya shredded, freshly grated coconut. This is small bird eye chili, 5 to 6. Then some garlic, little bit of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, then to this I'll add cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seed. Grind it and make a coarse paste. We are heating the pan over here. Now to this I'll add coconut oil. To this I'll add mustard seeds. And to this I'll add shredded raw papaya. And once we'll mix it, and to this we'll add the mixture of coconut, chili, garlic and cumin seed. To this I'll add curry leaves, little bit of water, mix it, and according to your taste you will add salt. Cover it for 10 minutes. Raw papaya thoran is ready.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.